I'll go all the way, 31 through 36. And 31 through 36, we're going to take advantage of the fact that, well, first let me write up what we're doing with it. Delta G1 is equal to minus 18.0 kilojoules per mole. Delta G2 is equal to the naught out. Delta G naught 2 is equal to 48 kilojoules per mole. And reaction 3 is equal to 1 plus 2. Okay. Now, what we're going to use to solve these problems is the approximation that 5.7 kilojoules is around 6 kilojoules. We're going to round it up. And this is going to give us, this particular drill is to give you the ability to, you don't even need a piece of paper. You just have to be able to divide by 6 or multiply times 6. And if I give you a delta G, you can tell me pK, within a good approximation by simply dividing delta G by 6. And if you have pK, then K is equal to 10 to the minus pK. So there's an immediate, rather easily accessible connection between an equilibrium constant and a free energy. And this is a skill. You don't even need a pencil and piece. You get a pencil and piece of paper, you're armed to go. This is a carrying around, do it in your head type of a thing. And so this means that pK is going to be around equal to delta G divided by 6 kilojoules per mole. And K is equal to 10 to the minus pK. So we're going to be totally cool with this. Now, what were the questions now? pK1, so 31, pK1 is going to be equal to what? What's minus 18 divided by 6?
3.
Which is option D. Okay? And now 32, what's 32? pK2 is equal to what? 48 divided by 6 is 8. Which is option A. And so 33 is pK3, I believe. Well, this one is going to be equal pK3, since reaction 3 is 1 plus 2 is going to be equal to pK1 plus pK2 equals, we have to be able to take equals minus 3 plus 8, which is equal to
Let me count. No, I'm just kidding.
which is, yeah, I got to get my calculator out for that. Well, I'm going to actually phone my spirit
my
guide
toes.
and pray for it. So
Magnitude.
we've just done 3 in this drill, and now let's do 34 is K1. K1 is going to be K1 is, what was pK1? 3?
Yeah.
Is equal
Minus
to
3.
10 to the minus pK1 equals 10 to the 3. And
Right.
that is option, where was number 3? Oh, C. Okay. And 35, K2, I believe. And it was K2 in the sequence. K2 is going to be equal to 10 to the minus pK2 equals 10 to the minus 8, which is option A. And then last but certainly not least, and this is the last problem on the test, K3 is equal to 10 to the minus pk3 equals, and we found earlier that that was 5 equals 10 to the minus 5, which is answer F. Or no, 10 to the minus. Oh,
Yeah.
it's answer E.
There it
Yeah,
is.
yeah.
That's a wrap.
With that is a wrap. Are there any questions?
Very good.
Thank you all very much for coming and your patience.
Thank you for doing it.
Thank you, Dr. Fletcher.
Thank you, Dr. Fletcher.
And I want everybody to thank Amanda
Yes, thank
for
you.
uh,
That's awesome.
her